Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you, it might be a long time in coming, but it's my first Xiaomi phone. I have the Note 10 Pro. Now honestly, I know that the Note 11s are out, the Redmi 11 series is out, but personally, after doing some digging, I wanted to get a good experience. I couldn't get my hands on the Note 10, the Note 11 Pro Plus. And honestly, in doing some research, I thought that the Note 10 Pro was still honestly the best buy out of most of the 11 series. The Note 11, even the regular Note 11 Pro, the 11S. I think that this one with the Snapdragon chip has outperformed all of those. Not to say that they aren't good phones, but I think with the global chip shortage and all those factors, it really has put a damper on what's happening right now in the cell phone industry. So I've never used a Xiaomi phone. I've used Huawei, Samsung, Google. I'm yet to use an iPhone, which I hope to do soon. So this will be my first Xiaomi phone, and it'll be the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, I really like how it looks. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. It'll be my first Xiaomi phone. So gonna do unboxing. I know that this experience is supposed to be better than the usual Samsung now. In my last unboxing of the Samsung, A53, all I got in the box was simply the phone, a USB cable. This already, of course. This box is twice the size of the Samsung A53 already. So, of course, we have, designed by Redmi. All right. So let's see what we have in here. We have our SIM injection tool, and wow, we have usual books, usual manuals and stuff. Okay. All your manuals and all that paraphernalia. It's all there. And look what we got. We got a gel skin case. Already the presentation is much better than on the latest Samsung Galaxy. This is just a gel skin case, but it's a case nonetheless. Wow, there's even a flap down there for your charger. That's pretty cool. So already the unboxing experience is much better. Straight out of the box, it is much better. At least you're getting much more. Now, when I got this phone, they had to test it to ensure that it's good. I got the graphite, the grease, so they had to test it to ensure that it was working properly before they gave me. So it's already not totally loaded up, but it is already, the plastic is already off, but still a beautiful phone. And one of the things is that this one has Gorilla Glass on the back and on the front, unlike the Note 11s, which just has Gorilla Glass in the front. So the design, I love that camera bump. It feels premium for the price you pay for this. This feels premium. I know this phone also comes with charger. So let us see what else is in the box. What else do we have to uncover? Right, so this is the 33-watt fast charger. Now I know for this year the 11s have 67 watts and even 120 watts fast charging. This is 33, still better than what Samsung gives you, because even your Samsung phones come with no charger in the box. So yeah, this is good. And where I got it sold, they actually provided this, so no need to worry there, because where we are, this is what we get. So they actually provided the connector, so charging, 33-watt fast charger in the box. This is what it's all about. Presentation, of course, we have our USB cable as well. Right, so we have a USB cable and our charger. I mean, it's just it's already a better experience than probably all the other phones I've bought recently, even like the S21. Is there anything else here? Is there any other hidden gems hidden away? I'm not sure, I don't think so. But so far, it's a much better unboxing experience, right? The Redmi Note 10 Pro, as I said, I could have gone with the 11, but I want to have, I'll be traveling soon, I'll be taking lots of photos, lots of pics. This one, now I know there are other variants, but this one has a 108 megapixel sensor. Actually, so this is a very, very good camera. It's supposed to be, I think it's one of the best cameras on a mid-range smartphone, even from last year's standard. And think about it, the only thing that it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but at least they provided a transcritical case for it. You know, I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with this, right? So I'm gonna set it up and get back to you, but that's the unboxing, right, of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. As I said, I could have gone with something else. I really like how this looks. It feels good in the hand. It definitely does. It's actually lightweight phone. It's quite lightweight, and yeah, I really like how this looks. So I'm gonna get stuck into this and look out for the full review coming very soon. But so far, I'm really loving this phone. I'm really loving it, right? Yeah, I'm really loving this phone so far. So there you go, the Redmi Note 10 Pro unboxing, and look out for my full review coming very soon. We have a 6.67 inch screen. I'm supposed to get a peak brightness of 1300 nits, so I'm gonna see how that fares here in the Caribbean sun, and you know, see how all the Google apps work. Of course, it's not like Huawei, you have all the full Google services and everything here already, as you can see, all the Google apps and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up and get back to you all.